Okay, children, so I have prepared chapter number 11. You can see here our diet. Okay, so I have prepared some few more questions, some extra questions I have made myself only. So what you will do, you will just write down, take out your copies, all of you, take out your GK copies, everyone. All of you take out your GK copies and start writing. In the book, there is some questions, but still I have added some more questions to that, extra notes. Okay, so you all will write this one about our diet. Okay, chapter number 11. See, there are only the definitions are there in that chapter, our diet. So I have prepared some questions on my own. So just write down in your GK copy and you will learn this. Okay, this is important questions and I will give these questions in your exam also. So all of you write down. Yes, Anindya and Abhinava, what happened?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me. So here, what is the first question, children? You can see the first question here is the nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. So what will be the answer? The answer is carbohydrates and fats. Okay. Question number 2, the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Answer is proteins and minerals. Question number 3, which vitamin is required for maintaining good eyesight? Answer is vitamin A. Question number 4, a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. The answer is calcium. Write down first, write these 4 questions, then I will share more. Is my handwriting clear to all of you? Anindya and Abhinaba?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Those who will find difficulty, they can ask me. Yes, Taskin? What happened, Taskin?
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to write the question also.
Yes, yes. You write the question also and then answer. Only 2 words answer is there, not much. So first write the question and then you write the answer. Okay.
Ma'am, how many questions are there?
12 questions. I
Okay,
made
ma'am.
12 questions. Okay. All of you start writing. Adrija, start writing, Adrija.
Yes, ma'am.
Is my handwriting clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Start writing. Yes. Somak, are you writing, Somak? Very good, children. All of you are writing. Rit, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So the first question is the nutrients which mainly give energy to our body is carbohydrates and fats. The question number 2, the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. The answer is proteins and minerals. They are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Question number 3, the vitamin which is required for maintaining good eyesight is vitamin A. So for good eyesight, which vegetable we should eat more and more? Like the vegetables and fruits which is filled of vitamin A, like carrot. Carrot we can eat for the good eyesight. Okay, it helps in giving us good eyesight. Question number 4, a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy, that is calcium. Okay, which calcium is that? Which mineral is that? The answer is calcium. Calcium keeps our bone, the adequate calcium keeps our bones healthy. Okay. Yes, Aritrika?
What you write in the number 2 question?
Number 2 is the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Okay.
Okay.
Night blindness is caused. Night blindness, question number 5 is night blindness is caused due to deficiency of which vitamin in our food? So the answer is vitamin A. Okay, vitamin A. Yes, Adrija, what happened?
मैम गलती से हो गया.
Okay, okay. Adrija, always try to speak in English. Okay, Adrija? Okay, okay. Now see, I will share you question number 6. So question number 6 is deficiency of which vitamin causes a disease known as beriberi? So which vitamin deficiency cause the disease beriberi? That is, answer will be vitamin B1. Okay, vitamin B1. Yes, Arhad, what happened?
Ma'am, please read the number 3 question.
Number 3 is which vitamin is required for maintaining good eyesight? Which vitamin is required for maintaining good eyesight? Answer is vitamin A. Okay, Arhad?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Adrija?
Ma'am, please show me the question number 2. I am writing.
Okay, okay. Right. Yes, Saptaparna, what happened?
Ma'am, please, can you see? Please see the question number 1.
Question number 1. Still you are writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Why so slow, Saptaparna? The nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. Answer is carbohydrates and fats. Yes, Aharnish. Tell me, Aharnish. Yes, Saranya. What happened, Saranya?
Ma'am, I can eat carrot raw also and boiled also.
Very good. Very good,
I
Saranya.
love to eat that.
Yes, carrot is very good source of vitamin A. It is very, very much useful for our eyesight. Okay. It helps to improve our eyesight. So eat lots of carrots. Okay. And green and leafy vegetables. Yes, Tafim, what happened?
Ma'am, please show the 7 number question.
Okay, wait, Tafim. You are very fast. Very good. Just wait. So I am going to share question number 7. Okay. So which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D? The answer is rickets. Yes, Aharnish? What happened, Adrija?
Ma'am, I also love carrots and beets.
Very good. It is very good. Very good for health.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I eat a lot of green vegetable.
Very
and
good,
yellow
Aharnish.
vegetable.
Yes, green and leafy vegetables are good, very good for our health. Okay. It is very good for our skin, our hair, everything. For our bones. Yes, Aranya?
Ma'am, please give the phone number.
Phone number question. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy is calcium. Okay. Yes, Shahzad, what happened?
Ma'am, mistakenly.
Okay, okay. Yes, Saptapanna.
Please say the question number 3.
Question number 3.
Yes.
Which vitamin is required for maintaining good eyesight? Answer is vitamin A.
Vitamin or vitamin?
Yes, we can say both. Vitamin also, vitamin also.
Ma'am, wait.
Saptapanna, try to write little faster. You are very slow. Okay. Yes, Tafim, just wait. I will share. Riskin, what happened, Riskin?
Ma'am, please say question number 7.
Okay, I will say. Okay, I will repeat. So question number 7 is, which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D? Answer is rickets. Yes, Rit, what happened?
Risking that say I also in this.
Okay. Do everyone do this? Okay, children, those who have not completed question number 4, 5, I will share. Okay, once again, I will repeat. But first write this one, 7, 8. So the question number 8 is, deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as, so deficiency of vitamin C causes the disease known as scurvy. Okay, scurvy.
Give the question number 5.
Yes, wait. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of
Okay,
which
ma'am.
vitamin in our food? Question number 8 is, deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as, answer is scurvy. Okay, answer is scurvy. Yes, Adil, what happened, Adil?
Hello, ma'am. Please tell the phone number question.
Okay, Adil, I will share. Just wait. I will repeat once. I just write this one first. First write this one, then I will share once again. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. First write 6, 7, 8, then I will share. Yes, Sweeney, what happened, Sweeney?
Ma'am, please number question.
Okay, okay. Arnish, what happened, Arnish?
Ma'am, give to 4.
Yes? Arnish, what you are saying?
Ma'am, give to number 4.
Number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait. First write 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, then I will share. Yes, Saptapanna?
Ma'am give question number 4 answer.
Okay, okay. So question number 4 is, a mineral that is required. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. All of you mute yourself. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. The answer is calcium. Yes, Aratrika?
Ma'am, please give the number 7.
Number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
So question number 7 is, which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So the 8 number question.
Okay, okay, wait. Okay. Question number 8 is, deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. Answer is scurvy. Riskin, have you completed?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Just wait for a while. Anish, have you completed?
Ma'am, I was on phone number.
Which number?
Phone number.
I showed you, no?
Ma'am, so once more 4, 5, and 6.
See, 4, 5, and 6.
Ma'am,
A mineral
ma'am,
that...
give me 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes only.
Okay, okay. Now, children, all of you lower your hand. Lower your hand, everyone. All of you lower your hand. Okay, now I will share question number 9. Which food items are energy giving foods? Which food items are energy giving foods? Answer is wheat and ghee. Okay, wheat and ghee are the energy giving foods. So we should eat wheat and ghee. Ghee is also a good source of energy giving. Okay. Number 10, deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking a Deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. Okay, we should take a balanced diet to prevent us from the deficiency diseases. Now, in number 11, eating too much of fat-rich foods may lead to a condition called obesity. So, if we will eat more and more fat-rich foods, we will become obese. Okay, so it is not good for health, and we can gain obesity. Okay. Now, number 12, name the vitamin present in orange. So, which vitamin is present in orange? In orange, we can get vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C. Yes, Ritrika? Number 8, deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. Okay. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. Yes, Arhad, what happened, Arhad?
Ma'am, please read the number 10 question.
Number 10 is deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking a answer is balanced diet. When we will take balanced diet, so we can prevent from the deficiency diseases. Okay. Okay, all of you complete this one. Yes, Prakriti, have you completed?
Ma'am, show the number 13 question.
There is no 13 question, only till 12. Only 12
Okay,
questions I have made.
Ma'am,
Yes, Prakriti.
ma'am, what is scurvy?
Scurvy is the disease which if we have deficiency of vitamin C, so we have that disease called scurvy. Okay. Scurvy is related to the deficiency when we have deficiency in vitamin C or vitamin C. Okay. Then we get the scurvy. By the lack of vitamin C in our diet, we can get that disease. It is called scurvy. Scurvy results from the deficiency of vitamin C in our diet. Okay. Scurvy is that when we have swollen gums. Okay. Swollen gums, and it is related to the teeth, the disease of teeth. Okay. That is called scurvy. Yes, all of you have completed. Adrija, completed?
Can you show me the eighth number?
8.
And ma'am, read one.
Very good, Riskin. Well done. Very good. Yes.
Completed.
Very good, Riskin. Yes, Adrija, what you are saying?
You will share this in study material
Yes,
also.
yes. Yes, I will share it with you. I will
Can you please
upload this in study. Yes.
Can you please create assignment? I will change there.
Okay, okay. Don't worry, I will create an assignment. After doing this, I will just create assignment now. What you will do after finishing this work, you will just send me in the assignment section. Okay, children?
I think disconnected and I have not written the 7.
Okay,
That's
okay.
why
Just see 7 and 8.
okay, ma'am.
Children, you all have completed this, but only what you will do, you will just send me in the assignment section. Okay? I will create an assignment now. All of you will send me in the assignment section. Yes, Arhad, have you completed?
Ma'am, show the number 12 question.